Hey everybody, thank you so much for clicking on my video to watch. So for today's video, I'm going to be talking about all my favorite summer products. I really wanted to do a summer's essentials video when summer kind of first started. So this is kind of my summer favorites slash essentials for summer. Before we get on into the video, please don't forget to subscribe and hit that little bell beside the subscribe button so then you guys can get notified every time I upload a new video. Also be sure to like this video if you like favorites, and if you want to know all of my favorites, then please just keep watching. Also, there's not going to be a lot of makeup products in here because I wanted to try and keep it more to new things I've been using and things I've been using so frequently. And you guys see the makeup I use frequently all the time in all my makeup tutorials and on Instagram. So I didn't really want to be that repetitive, so I tried to keep it to things I don't talk about that much that I still use all the time. First things I want to talk about contain SPF, and you're going to want SPF in the summertime so your skin doesn't get damaged. And this brand I think is fairly new. This brand is called Kula. So first of all, here, these are their Sunsilk drops. They're 70% organic and they have an SPF of 30 in them, so it's perfect for your face. It comes in a little dropper and it's really easy to blend into your skin. It sits perfectly underneath your makeup. It sinks into your skin, so none of your makeup is sliding around, but it's also protecting your skin at the very same time, and is also very moisturizing. So I have been loving these drops. And then the next thing from the brand is actual sunscreen. So it comes in a spray bottle. This one has an SPF of 50 and it is water resistant for 80 minutes. So first of all, this sunscreen doesn't just smell like any normal sunscreen. It smells so good, and the scent is guava mango. So it literally smells like you are on a vacation, and it actually does work. I've been using this outside and at the beach. You can still get a natural tan from it, but it helps protect your skin a lot better and it doesn't give you a sunburn. It works so well. But this is the first sunscreen I've ever owned that I'm actually excited to put on. It doesn't leave a white cast on you either. It just comes out kind of as a clear spray and you can just rub it into your skin after you spray it on. Another reason I don't have many makeup products in this video is because I usually don't like to wear a lot of makeup products in the summertime because obviously it's really hot. So I like to focus more on skincare, and since I just made a cosmetic skincare review, I will leave those products out of this video even though I do love them. But the first thing I want to talk about is this moisturizer. This is the Clinique Moisture Surge. I do use this in my tutorials quite a bit and I talked about it often, but I still want to include it in this video because it is the perfect moisturizer for summer. It has a gel-like consistency. It's extremely lightweight. It sinks into your skin in no time, but it still lifts your face and gives it an extra glow. So I like to focus it on the high points of my face. Whether I am wearing makeup or no makeup at all, I still like to put this on. It also has a little bit of a cooling effect, so it feels really nice on those hot summer days. So the next products I'm going to talk about can kind of be in the makeup category, but also in the skincare category. But that is oils. These ones are my two favorites. This one is the Smashbox Primer Oil and this one is the Josie Maran Argan Moonstone Drops. They both keep your skin very hydrated, and these oils sink into your skin really good too. When the sun hits those areas, it makes you look like you have a natural glow. And if you don't want to be wearing tons of highlighter or lots of makeup in the summertime, then oils are perfect because they do just give you that extra glow. I especially like to use them on my collarbone too. Sometimes I'll just put a little bit on my collarbone and leave it like that, or sometimes I'll just put a tiny bit of highlighter right over top. I really like to focus on illuminating products and my glow in the summertime, so these products are perfect for it. Since I like to focus a lot on my skin in the summertime, since I'm not wearing as much makeup, I obviously like to focus on my actual skincare, and I really like to focus on using masks a lot. I've been trying to do that just to maintain my acne and even out my skin. So these masks I've been loving. They're from Patchology. So these ones are the Zen Master sheet masks, and then these ones here are the perfect weekend ones. I also just got a bunch in the mail that I'm really excited to try out. Amongst many masks that I use, this one has been hands down my favorite. I was expecting it to be good because it's Glam Glow, and Glam Glow's products are always really good. And when I got this, it said it was a 60-second pore refining treatment, so I just thought it would be kind of like a little bit of a refresher since it's only 1 minute long. But when I put it on, you can instantly feel it working, and it just feels like it's completely cleaning out your skin. Even though it's only a 1 minute mask, it works wonders. It made my skin feel like the smoothest it's ever felt, and I have been enjoying this mask so much. And it's really fun because it goes on purple, but it bubbles up instantly on your face. This has definitely got to be my favorite mask I've ever used from them. You may not think much because it is only a 1 minute mask, but it is the best one in my opinion. I don't think I have any actual makeup products besides these ones right here. This is what I'm wearing on my lips right now, and any bright lip in general is really fun for the summertime. One of my favorites is Peach. So these products are both from Wet n Wild. They're extremely affordable. These lip liners are my favorite lip liners I've ever tried. These are the Wet n Wild gel lip liners, and this one is in the shade Think Flamingos. And then this is one of their Mega Last lipsticks. This one is in the shade Just Peachy. So that's the combination I have on my lips today. And if you have a tan, then it really makes it pop and it makes your teeth look a lot whiter too. So bright lips are definitely a must in the summertime. Bright reds and oranges look really good too. This one is still in the makeup category too, and I have talked about this, so I'll just talk about it really quickly. I had to include it in this video just in case you haven't seen my other ones, because this is the perfect setting spray for the summer. It's actually the only one I've ever tried that works, and this is the Urban Decay De-Slick Makeup Setting Spray. It takes away any shine that you have on your face. So if you're sweaty anywhere, like in your T-zone, this takes it away completely, and it actually makes your makeup last. I included this makeup setting spray in my sweat-proof makeup tutorial. It's my favorite setting spray for the summertime, and it's one of my all-time favorite setting sprays. Okay, I'm gonna move on to some body care products now, and the first thing I want to talk about is tanner. So obviously you can get a nice natural tan if you are in warmer climates in the summertime, and I do really like to do that too. Obviously it's not as safe for your skin because you're laying out in the sun, which is obviously not good for your skin. I still like to do it, but I also like to tan as well. I love to tan out in the sun. I love fake tanners. I love spray tans, just all kinds of tans. I don't have one specific favorite. This one I want to talk about really quickly is the Josie Maran Argan Liquid Gold Self Tanning Oil. It's a long name, and I'm down to already here in the bottle. This specific tanner gives you a really nice subtle glow. You can build it up if you want to, but since it is an oil, it gives your skin just more of a natural glow, and it makes you look really sun-kissed. So this is one of my favorite tanners that I've ever tried, so I specifically wanted to mention this one. I have a few other favorites too, but for this video I wanted to include this one. It also smells really good. It doesn't smell like a normal self tanner. There are 4 different scents I believe she has, and this one is the apricot and vanilla one. Since this is an oil too, it's very hydrating when you put it on your skin. Okay, intermission really quick. I forgot about my freaking adorable bowls, and I'll talk about them in a second while I finish my tanning talk. But the tan I have on right now is actually a spray tan, and I am so proud of my friend Chanel and her mom Brenda. They purchased a franchise which is called Tan on the Run, so she just gave me this beautiful tan a couple days ago. Their tan is all organic, so it's really good for your skin, and they recommend you put coconut oil on your skin after your tan. So they are all natural and all organic with their products, which is great for people like me with sensitive skin, even though I still put a lot of chemicals on my skin. Just because I'm so passionate about makeup and everything, I obviously want to try a lot of it out. I'm not completely safe with my skin, but I try to be. So if you have sensitive skin, then this tan would be perfect for you. Yeah, I just think it looks really natural, and I got the dark tan. There's variations of it, so you can get like a really light sun-kissed glow up to a really darker tan. So yeah, I got the dark tan, and I had like a tiny bit of a natural tan before I got it, but I am so happy with it, and now that I'm wearing this peach color, it just makes it really pop. But yeah, I'm gonna be addicted now, so if you guys are local in my area, check them out. I'm gonna link their Instagram in my description box below. The last body care product is this Sol de Janeiro. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right. I really hope I am, but this is their Bum Bum Cream, and it's like the most amazing product I've ever come across. First of all, it smells delicious. Like, I don't even know what the scent is, but it smells so good. It says it's infused with Garuna extract. I'm not sure what that is, but whatever it is, it smells so good. So this is a fast absorbing body cream, and it helps tighten and smooth like no other, which is so true. So I solely use this on my butt because I just got this smaller size in my BoxyCharm, and I don't want to waste it anywhere else because it does actually tighten. The second day I used it, I could already see it working. So if you don't like to work out like me, get the Bum Bum Cream. Ever since getting this product, I cannot live without it. I don't know how I would be able to. Okay, I guess this could be considered a body care product, but these are the Veet wax strips. I get the dry skin kind, so it's infused with aloe vera. These are what the strips look like. So you heat them up by rubbing them in between your hands like this, but if I'm just doing it at home, I like to use a blow dryer because I feel like I get the most use out of it when I use a blow dryer and completely heat up all that wax. Then you just peel it apart, and there's wax on either side, so you get 2 strips in one of these. And these are perfect for the summer because if you're going to the beach a lot with your friends, a lot of times plans can be really last minute and someone just calls you up and says, hey, do you want to go to the beach? Or if you're already in town and they ask you to drive down to the beach, but obviously you need to wax your legs or shave your legs. These are perfect to just put in your purse. I used to do that all the time when I was in high school. I would have them in my purse, and if my friends decided they want to go to the beach, I would literally wax my legs in their car so they'd be ready to go for the beach. Or if you accidentally miss a spot and you're already in town and then you realize, then you can obviously use them for emergencies. I think they're so perfect. They are definitely one of my essentials of all time. I keep forgetting about these. So these are the most adorable little ice cream bowls ever. So there was a store called Think Kitchen that was closing down and everything was on sale, and specifically the brand is Stokes, so they're a really cheap brand. I got all 4 of these for I think $8, but they are literally the perfect thing for the summertime. If you're having a little party or a get together, or if you have kids, I think these are so cute, and I just had to mention them. And I wish I'd set them up in my background beforehand because they actually look really cute for a summer video. Moving on to the last couple of things, they are accessories. Oh, the last few things. I have another kind of beauty product. But since I said accessories, I'll move on to these really quick. So my favorite jewelry has to be hoops, which is funny because I'm not wearing any right now, but I didn't think they really went with my outfit right now. They could have, but I didn't put them in. So I think all of these are actually from Ardeen. I just like to get really cheap hoops because I lose jewelry a lot. But I also think they're really fun for the summertime. You can basically dress up any outfit with them. And in the summertime, you're obviously not wearing that many clothes. You're wearing like shorts and a tank top, and you don't want to put on too much, otherwise you'll overheat. But if you just chuck on a pair of hoops, it really helps just make your outfit pop. So I usually like to always put on a pair of hoops when I'm going out. Next thing I want to mention is sunglasses, because obviously we're going to need sunglasses in the summertime. And my favorite pairs have been from Movement. So I do collaborate with them a lot, but that's because I'm obsessed with their sunglasses. I really like their watches too, but their sunglasses are my favorites. So these style are the style Stranger. And usually sunglasses don't look good on my face, but for some reason, literally every single pair of these Movement sunglasses I've put on look good. So also I have a pair here. These are the Marquise, I believe. I have a couple pairs of these, and I'm not sure where all of my sunglasses are. I have a very big collection of Movement sunglasses thanks to them. Oh my gosh, every time I open one of these, they're not in there. I wanted to show you guys two of my other favorite pairs, but I cannot find them. Basically, my other 2 favorite pairs from them are Backstage, and I wore them in one of my recent Instagram pictures. I also really like their Savage ones because they're really cool and they're red. I'm also wearing them in one of my Instagram posts, so if you want to go search for them to see what they look like, then that's where they are. I have no idea why none of them are in their cases. Okay, last products are these guys. These I have actually talked about before. I believe they were in a favorites video, but I have to talk about them for my summer favorites because they are gel nail polishes and they don't budge. These are from Wet n Wild. They're about $3 each, and they are their One Step Wonder gel nail polishes. The one I'm wearing right now is called Pardon My Peach, and I literally have like all of the colors. I'm just holding up 4 right now. They are my favorite gel nail polishes I've ever tried. They give a really pretty subtle shine to your nails. The applicator is really nice on them because it's kind of flat, but it's also fanned out and wide. But there's enough bristles to the brush that it's not too flimsy, and it disperses enough product on your nails so you don't need to go in with a ton of coats. And these nail polishes dry in no time. So if you just want to do your nails really quickly and then go out the door, give yourself like 5 minutes, and they won't be completely dry, but they'll be dry enough that you're not completely wrecking your nails when you go out. Actual last thing, I have to mention this candle, because I just looked back at it, and my mom got me this I think a month ago. This is a Vancouver Candle Co. candle. This one is in the scent Strathcona. I'm pronouncing that right too. I actually have not even lit it, but you literally don't even need to light it. It gives off the scent enough that you can smell it, but only in that one area. So if you did want your whole house or your whole room to smell like the candle, then you would obviously need to light it, but I like to put it on my coffee table if I'm just watching Netflix or editing or something because it smells so good. And this one is the perfect scent for the summertime. The notes in that candle are white tea, blackcurrant, and lavender, and it just makes for this really pretty scent that I love. And my favorite one for the fall and winter time is their Gastown candle. They make really, really good candles. Alright, so I think that is it for my video. I hope I'm not forgetting anything. Probably am, but if I am, I'll probably just mention it on my Instagram stories anyways. That is it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Please don't forget to subscribe before you leave, like this video if you enjoyed it, and I will see you guys on Sunday because I have a makeup tutorial for you guys then.